Hello, New Jersey's significant winter weather may be on the horizon. Meteorologists are closely watching a coastal storm system expected to develop off the mid-Atlantic this weekend, and forecasters say conditions could bring impactful snow and bitter cold to our region. Here's the latest. This system is projected to form off the southeast and then track up along the east coast. With cold Arctic air already in place, that setup creates a strong chance for snow across New Jersey and the broader Northeast late Saturday through Sunday. Forecasters say confidence is growing that this could be more significant than just a light snow event, though timing, track, and intensity are still under refinement as the storm evolves closer. While exact amounts will depend on where the low moves and how cold air remains locked in, some forecast guidance suggests moderate to heavy snowfall is possible in parts of New Jersey this weekend. Areas farther inland and north could see higher totals, while coastal communities may experience mixing with sleet or freezing rain. Conditions could become hazardous for travel, especially Sunday into Monday. And it wouldn't just be snow, sleet, and freezing rain could make untreated roads slick, posing a danger for commuters. State and local transportation officials are already urging residents to prepare. If snow accumulates, as some models indicate, delays on major roadways, including the I-95 corridor, could occur, with Monday morning's commute looking especially difficult. Train and bus services may also feel the storm's impact, and travelers should stay updated on any service changes or advisories. Adding to the challenge, forecasters say Arctic air will remain entrenched behind the system. That means bitterly cold temperatures, wind chills well below freezing, and dangerous conditions could persist beyond the snow itself. Right now, snow is most likely late Saturday night through Sunday, with impacts possibly lingering into Monday morning. But remember, forecasts can change, and small shifts in the storm's path can dramatically alter outcomes. So as we head into the end of the week, New Jersey, now's the time to review your winter weather plans. Stock up on essentials, charge devices, check on neighbors, and stay tuned for updated forecasts. We'll continue to bring you the latest as this storm evolves. For now, stay warm and safe, and keep an eye on the skies this weekend. I am Samantha Newssby. Stay tuned for more updates.